Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so it's going to be a nice quick video this week. I've got a great recipe that I want to share with you. I'm making steak tartare this week, so we're going to get straight into it. Okay, so the secret to a good steak tartare is the quality of the beef. So I'm using a nice centre cut piece of fillet here. Fillet's actually perfect for this because it's nice and lean, it's not got a lot of fat in it. So you want to dice this up as finely as you can. The finer the better. Okay, so we've got some other ingredients that we're going to add to the beef now. So I've got some very finely chopped shallots here. So we're going to go in with some of those. Also some finely chopped gherkins. Some finely chopped capers. Some chopped parsley. We're going to go with a little bit of Dijon mustard, not too much, it's quite hot. We don't want to overpower the beef. About a teaspoon there. Some extra virgin olive oil. Just a squeeze of lemon juice. And some salt and pepper. Okay, we'll just give that a good mix up. Mix it up really well. And just another ingredient I'm going to add to this actually, which I think makes it really nice, is just a few drops of Worcester sauce. I think this makes it really nice, just a few drops. Okay, so that's the beef. And I'm just going to serve this with some toasted sourdough bread on the side. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this recipe a go. If you are liking my videos and my recipes, please just give me the thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you all again soon.